nashemewe kuba ahaha
amina wow yanjure abantu aba bakumanye gender standikira
amazina ni Nyakato Letitia Grace nyine degree nkashoma amateka ibiragiro from Uganda Christian University nagumiza munangwa nakora diploma in legal practice aha Law Development Center Mbara mwenu nkoko wagamba okwega nugumizamu there is more to learn.
Yeah, true.
Yes.
Wow. Twakwakira kandi ubutwataye somu kugustandikira titakakiri ahanshonga yari ivu umuntu nahumurata twenda kumanya umurimo ogu gwine za contracts ezo nizo ziha tushobora abantu aba bongere kuzitunga rero tutaheje amunshonga yo gukora
webare munonga kanye ni ngaruka mekibuzo contracts nize miringo mingi wafu no murimo bakweta ngo hello we are happy to inform you ngo ugo murimo wagutunga waza office wa manyangu today natandika kukora you have to ask a contract konkanabwe tingo buri murimo gwine contract twine contracts ze miringo mingi we have written contracts ezihandikire hariho departments zikuba zine contracts zazo zihandikire so ogwo echawe no kuzayo and you sign. Yes, that is if you agree with the terms and conditions of the contract na nezo ntuza kuzireba twinezi contracts ezomunwa. Yes, na mnonga abo wito abo mcharo nko mukozi omurisa wente mazima toka expecting ngogwe hina ya signing then twinez eziba kweta implied contracts ziri implied waba nokoro mwanya for a long time no shashura so by all means ojo mukozi yes hajire cyabaho niwe ojo mukozi because no complying na terms and conditions konka kira mnonga nyandangu twejonse written contract ezeze handikire ezo yine kusigninga okamanyangu ego ngiaha and I'm legally here. Nzezo written, oral and implied.
Well, yes. Ashongejo kanso. Abantu abamwariho kusigninga mazironga za twire aine kiroto cyo kutunga umurimo yagutunga amazima go gwabo. Mbwene uko kujya gusigninga twosere nturebe buzubu at the end of the day. Umwene bi assigningira tarukomanya. Yimwe nkabakugu abashomire bintebe nikibakiri cyukuru munonga ningiro kubanza kushijuma no kwetegereza contract eje waza kusigninga no kutaho umukono gwawe negamba ki umwe kireterera abantu aba batomera babare munonga ekikubanza kugamba amateka giyo tugagiya side yitu Uganda tekora amateka gatari a side y'abantu so it's very important ngo banze washoma mateka kuba noza kusigninga ekintu kumbe nabajirangwi iwe torifuna leave ngwiwe wajirenda toragende kora working conditions are different in different areas so oine kubanza washoma wamanye cyo juno signing toka ikano signing yes arho enshonga nkuru munonga ntwenda ngo there is a difference between fixed term and indefinite term contract ziha izo muntu kwenda ngo akashoborekerwaje.
Yes, hati terms and conditions zinagambe zijyo mu written contracts twinemu fixed term one oza kora duration one oza kora kumara a long period then indefinite nchimayisa ngo at any time babasa kubinga fixed you have a duration arihongo noza kutandika for a year noza kutandika ibirebi omare birebi twayenda ntubasa konjerayo kujira nko wabano performance indefinite you don't know tokumanya dela awa
kubura kushesha kubi nokugenda
bakutera kasumu bagira ngo bambe tuwabasa gumiza munitwe that's the difference.
Yes. Okay nechukuru munonga contract age turiyo ntuza kwendera kantu ka contracts
contract egi iwe nk'omukozi obagiherezo ine kuba notungaho kopi nari neguma mu company abo kuba omuntu ahera nateekateeka tachi bariya nanakoze contract ningira nibo baguma nayo kuriya nyowe nk'omuntu nyowe kitunga omurimo nintungaho kopi nanye kugibika nyensya hagire kyabo nkagira hina sinzira nara hina besingira kwedefendinga abo ko omuntu nabasa kuhereza contract cancel agishitamire no mwe mwabihindurire yoko abo ko atoine evidence
bari mnonga department ya legal nekosa evidence mnonga mwenu tubaka basa kwekipapura abo bakabura kusigaza ekipapura you can counterfeit it no basa kuchindura so no kujangu abana Uganda tukwenda kufuna ba lawyers abitu kunko muntu okabiroine lawyer wawe kumanyisa ebe bintu kuba ebigambo bya law nobasa kubuzabuza
kandi tu abantu baburijo tukabumanya
abuko abantu nabatekateka ngu lawyers are very expensive maybe it is true tinkumanya konka mazima okasigize copy yawe even the office ine copy yayo kugira ngo noba no wataho mukano shoma ogira ngo bitechikana benta kirebere and you can even change nobasa kuchindura no gambira bakama bawe so there is need no ine kuba ine copy yawe mazima
ejo nshonga nkuru munonga arahakantu akor kwija kutushobora hoko ahaba okutunga roye abo kwa abantu benshi tubakushoborekerwa nkuko wakigamba bamwe majyangu muri expensive kuza kutunga roye umutonganuzi wawe wabo shono bagurwa tubakubasika konkana ija kutushobora ko ninja kumuhereza yakanya na tushobora twakubantu wenda kansoretishia nkaroya wanje ni mutunganta kandi kibasika ebi byona tizashonga nkuru munonga omurimo omuntu ogu yagutunga nangwa na contract yagitaho umukono yiciriza terms and conditions ya signing yakora konka habaho time ya leave of course mukwikiriza noko yashanga mu nija kutunga umugisha gwa leave leave yo no gitungota nabakace byaza leave titandikira
mubare mnonga kuko nabanagambere the law is on our side amateka gitu ga Uganda gadia side yitu so tuhino kubasa kora kendogoyi so there is leave yerho the obvious leave on Sunday weekend mazima of course depending everyone signing
arhabaro kukora cancel mpaka Monday to Sunday
konkati no kuzo mu office public holiday nico nagamba ngu biri chimo chili different tora yange kurisa ngu kubana public holiday that's a different sector konka for the official sector for the legal sector for public service arho
bakomaru wakatana benji
wakatano then wakora Saturday and Sunday that is called overtime you can sign there is proof and you will be paid for it noza kushashupo then twine leaves sick leave tokurara ukaza kukora
yes
twine maternity leave abakaza binenda nemyeze ebirejo kandi omugezi leave oine kuba noshashubwa yes your salary ine kuba neija account twine na paternity leave kareketaroho konka hati twine paternity leave omukazi wawe yazara omukazi wawe yazara niwe nabakwereza biro byawe bina iwo mushije
aho mu Uganda
yes konka abinji by the way tubakachimanyire konka omukazi wawe yazara ya referral yo mu iraro oyine biro byawe bina kugenda ukabul nawe ukamkurusya twine annual leave hata wagita mwezo leaves noboine twine annual leave 29 days umwaka that's more like a month ngokwezi so tokora January to December
yes to December
oyina kireka uko kujangwa November reka nkore November ndiaza vacation na family so izo nizo leaves sick leave maternity abakaza binenda paternity annual leave public holiday weekends konka wakora omugyezo leaves za wezo zoine twine overtime which must be accounted for okashashubwa
yes aha nshongecho rahakanda kwenda kubuza konka ahanshonga ya live again turi ariyo mu live konke sente zeti zije tiyatunga umushahara uwe nakora ki ubwo umuntu abo kuba kiriyo mu mateka nko kwakishobora kandi konka tukikirize ngo Uganda araho abantu abari kubihende biragira bari kubireba we inaza kora kinyo umuntu waburije abo kuba ndinzatero gutunga umushahara gwanje nko riyo nakujya tubito gata kukora natungo gwaki agukwiba.
By the way tinagamba study leave hariho na study leave no basa kushoma umwaka utakora konko umushahara gwawe ukije abinje nabazondusana na that excuse bagenda bashoma bajya ka applying jiro go murimo ngende bamanye ngo ni koro murimo konkanze kushoma and they still get that money. So abakwenda amateka nibinji na nogo yo nakora na boss weye so konka let's say you're honest or you're wamazima and wazara tuwafuna mushara. So public service many departments zine lawyers babo konka washanga ngu toine lawyer uine kufuna lawyer and you go to the bakweta labor officer ogwe labor officer no we okuhandikira
okamugambira bibyo kuraba
in written letter okamjira ngu an injury on your part it's an injury, it's a damage okamjira ngu rigare bire nyine leave yanje and I'm entitled to pay, I'm entitled to salary so nuwo kwicira akija kakuyamba
okatunga uburinganiza.
Yes
wampereza contract cancel I mean leave nagitunga konka nagirenzi mushime kuba ningaruka after 60 days hata nagaruka after 70 days na haba hoki hagati yanje na mukama wanje nari na company
we bari mnonga so terms and conditions of a contract ebibu wa sign njire nibikwikiriza ngo renzi tubikwikiriza wahenda mateka ga company yawe they are entitled to terminate you. Umurimo gwawe noba no guteka in jeopardy noba no warenzia without communication of course when communicating noba sa kurenzia because wafuna mu complications orire konka without grounds bana baza kubinga mazima misconduct imichombi
ecyakube kiryo mbuteka nabo kuba turya hakweka ecyakube kiryo mbuteka what if kare nahiko mu live maybe nagire bizibu omukazi nko gwazire konko mwe yatunga mu buzibu mu kuzara bamushemeze ebironka hagati burukuza kumara mezi abiri hatu nkoreki abo kubariye ko mu live konkata kabere jamagara tagakaterere ugaruka mu rumo gukora naza gukora kikwenda ngo mu rumo gwe gutakamfera kuriya contract bakagishazamo no muhabura ki ecyashemeye kuba nakora kwenda ngo mu rumo gwe gumeho kandi nakuriya abanzagira amagara marungi abone garuka mu rumo ni nyinforming abakama banje kare mpandika nari nintera kasumu ntazati yes.
Of course wagenda mu live tingo murimo ay office yawo wagirekiye the moment wazo mu live nabateka hondijo so someone is working but for just a short time hatiwe na minongo nuko abantu babinje bafunera mirimo abantu kugenda mu live ondije akija kandi akakora jo mu ntebe yawo so oine nana baba bajyo omugeza maternity ward they are very worried ngoko umuntu bataho so nabo tubaka bire nabacenda ngo imirimo yabo abaferetyo so communication is key no tera human resource abantu bakimanya kwihawa no biya konka nko mukazi n'abantu bakimanya and they will be lenient meze eshatu you can be on leave until abamwe contracts are different abamwe bagirangu emyeze mukaga mugiye leave kandi bagiona bakushashura na kunemera mugino ukora
kugiro kumuyikirizana
terms and conditions those are very important contract
so na communication is better wagira ikizubu nko mukozi
communication.
Yes, you should communicate in time. Abantu bamanye buzubu buriyo noraba
Bakashimanya.
abo bakora abushitamiri company teri kwija kumanya byo korabamo
Abantu bakwenda kugamba batina konka wagamba nkiyamba bingi.
Okay. Ndikukuru munonga abari kutureba okwega ndikukuru munonga kandi Council Letitia ariyo nakushobora ngwebe n'ebintu byosheme kuba noyiga uko sheme kuba noyitwaza muri mu live abandi nagira ati binkwatire cyo ndijo noshanguwe akatunga y'ikibanja murimo arrest assured ngowe akweza amezi mukaga inegaraka yakashanga murimo guguroho konka Council Letitia nakugira ngo ine kubitajya umbuteka handika informing abantu aba embera yorukurabamo kandi ubundi bakajetegereza babasa kubamba kongera ibindi biro turi ahari termination of the contract n'ibintu cy'ibindi bikubasa kuretera contract yawe ba terminating council
we bari mnonga terms and conditions niyo ninza gumaningamba terms and conditions so omgejo contract harimo term ya termination bageta termination nabagira ngo contract eje ntuza kugiterminatinga wakora abcd abamwe babihandika
wacererwa aha murimo
wacererwa murimo wagire misconduct wagire mchombi wanga kukora redundancy wanga communicatinga wajuma sexual harassment ntuza kuterminatinga eje contract kandi bine kwereza notice periods bine kwereza kire ko kugira ngo omyeze ebiri banorondo gundo murimo
mbwe ntuba kutugurukira
taba na nejeroho twine types of termination zigambeho
it's fine ziteres
twine termination ya unfair termination unfair taba kwereza notice tine wija kora nkaburija ro kubanza bakugira ngo hona nogira ngo nokikora ejo unfair termination no yirukanga wa labor officer
kutungo buringana
twine summary dismissal summary termination babatine nakire ko kugira kukwandikira kuba cyo wakora cyarenze
emichombi sana
emichombeje tariho ngo disciplinary board no mayo kutwabe tugiye ishomero abanza basitama kachiko konka hati tibine na wiro bwecyo wakora wayo sishomero mwino basitamengo bagambe kingo no baza kusasira so twinejo summary twine ho kwirukanja wakora gross misconduct imichombere njere sexual harassment konka
kandi bine evidence
kumara konka na gamba amateka even summary dismissal nibakubinga then bagaruka bakweta bagirengo ikinani ikintu cyo
nico wakora nico kubinjiza
nico kikubinjiza wanoreba ngo
to aba satisfied
then umukoti
yes so nizezo
termination by which is fair wabareti bakuoninga
emirunde mingi
bakwandikira email zikaba email nabasindika but why are you coming late why aren't you coming to work no explanation na ureba ngo niyo bakubinga babicere so ahaho bwenu
kandi bine
evidence tokusigninga mu kitabo hata bakareta fingerprint so ejo
system ne baneyigambira
system tekubiha so ejo termination it is fair nibono kireba then unfair termination tabakwereza tuhine warning zibakwire ibono teka buri kimwe kirije so ejo niyo in unfair then summary dismissal wakore kirenze warenze ya terms z'yo mu contract katugire basi ya company yo wajiteka mabana bishomero wavuga speed agoma accident
nibyo bumwe byo birukuretera mazima ekipanda bachara
contract ya shara nota chine
umurimo nuguba gwahwaho azigara ugendo zakora ibindi tukimwinaha Council Letitia kandi ari nangira kutushobora arimo ibintu bindi ni nyeganyo nyenga yo ngubagambira ngo abantu abakungu batayisananye ntunga chance yo kwega abo kuba nyonka kukombi yanje binashomere konka kandi aba nabo bakakuga umbyabo kandi ibintu ibintu babyetegereza nikiba kiri kikuru munonga. Ntugaruka nawe kunjira anshonga izindi zishimye kuba ntuganiraho anshonga yemermo abo kuba bakoza aba nikikuru munonga ukongera kubetegeza bwa nyuma yo kurga on break.
Revival TV, amagaro wijwire. Umurebi wa Revival TV ni kwanjura Revival TV Santa omugabuzi ogunaza kuba nabaganaho neitwe eberabo nyamwenji omukurismas egi noenda kumunyamugisha wo kwehangura eberabo nkebi iwe kikuru no kumanya kano kukuretera program zeitu n'abahereza bazo manya Revival TV Santa omugabuzi naza kuba nataye mu program ziteze live rera gabe eberabo nyamwenji iwe kikuru wareba Revival TV Santa omugabuzi yaragaro mu studios bani wo kubanza kutera kasimu live TV rero naza kuba nakubuze buzo na program zeitu nangona bahereza bazo kandi wabigaruka muje oyehangura eberabo nyamwinji kandi nabwe nubasa kutukuratira social media zeitu rero garukime bibuze ebyo abantu 20 barabanze garukame bibuze ebi nibaza kuteko mu draw rero tutorane mu muhanguzi. Kwanjura bakugomyo kubazira aba Dennis DO Expert Tailors abakugom kubazira suti ezaburu muringo ezabashija nangwa neza bojo uyu no mukoro ningano zinduka ijaba kupangisa suti ziri hamutindo eza checked ninga plain ahakabei karunji mununga kandi niye waba noenda kugura nibakora hoje mununga ahakabei karunji bine introduction suits African wear suits enkoba emparezo murembe eza gento na jean bino busatu burunji nabwa t-shirt burunjo gwo rukujwara okasha ko waruga America bine neckties nebindi birunji munonga mbone bashanje mu rurembo rwambarira ahal high street warga kizimbe cha Grand West Arcade ekikubo cyo kubanza ecyambarira bookshop room number ya 5 waza kwikaze bra crossing hihi na Besania Sako okumenya bikukiraho the director Expert Tailors Dennis Orisabo wishemwe hanoti mushanju 5 mukaga ashatu nemwe 98 50 na renoti mushanju 8 3 93 anana mukaga ashatu nina moto yabo I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me okurgomba Filipe shura yakana umushororo 13 Mbarahuka Sako yagabura umukiro cyukureki hangura na Mbarahuka Sako umukazano ka Christmas promotion abubaka gwe 2024 iwe cyawe no kugura imigabo mu Ruhuka Sako ukutandikira mitwaro 50 ukutya miliyoni 4 cweka no kweyongerayo no basa no kusevinga ekye miliyoni 10 kumara meza 3 ukutandika 20 y'ukwezi kwa mwenda ukustebero 20 y'ukwezi kwa 12 rero wa fixed account no kubika ekye miliyoni 5 no kweyongerayo okumara meza 3 rero taho mukazano igura account osevinge mitwara 3 no kweyongerayo ubase kutaho mukazano kwehangura eberabo nyamwinji kandi juka ngo kwigura account no mutaro 18 zonka ekikuru no kwijana photocopy yendanga muntu kandi nawe wari tabanti 10 okwegitaho Kasako okurugebero 20 y'ukwezi kwa mwenda okustebero 20 y'ukwezi kwa 12 mazima kazano no bukarwa hagati eberabo byo kwangura nibinji harmente embuzi ebifaratsi hufas t-shirts obukofira ubushabwo mukere okumanya birukiraho tera no tumushanje mukagemwe 19 nkaga nina 29 Mbarahuka Sako tukwatira mu kwetungura mu byentasya. Revival TV amagaro wijwire.
Yes, Revival TV amagara umbijwire turi mu kashonshore cyakafuka sokurga arshayibira mpaka arshaha ishatu zakashishaka nizo barungirirwa kabiri kandi twatahisa Council Letitia Grace umunyamateka umukugu ebi akabukugamu nabyetegereza kandi namanyaje munonga twine akashesha kari natureka okutushemeye ku bantu itegereza obugabe bwaitu nk'abakozi n'okutushemeye ku bantu wetwaza hariho ndijo orikumanya kuba yatunga omurimo yaheza abakabaka muntu we nahika murimo ayeshegesa weno mureba kushobera konka atarikumanya ngu arebe kumugavaninga hariho amateeka hariho contract ye yakozire abamwe contract says nibazebwa mbwena kiko mwanya abakaticuru atarikumanya ngu hariyo ebiri kumutegeka. Letitia yatugambira ebintu bingi munonga ebitushemeye kuba nitumanya murimo gwaitu contract nogitungota yazitushobora leave yo nogitungota kandi omwoku wakwetwaza kuba mu leave egi nibintu kye wakubasa kuba noferwa omurimo gwawe nibagushazamu bata contract egyo nibagishazamu bata kandi obumwe kwakuba otatungire buringaniza ninkaho oshemeye kuba noyirikangira n'okutunga oburinganiza. Hati turi ya nshonga nkuru nayo abokuba nanyenda ngu naka tukagambe tagambire ari safety and health y'abakozi aba discrimination and harassment. Tukiganira abokuba abantu abo umwe mbatwarizibwa kuba murimo kandi omuntu tarikumanya natwarizibwa kubi nshemeye kuba ninyirikangirira nkayo. Yes.
Nizana kandi kugira ngu amateeka gitu gajya side yitu.
Yes.
Ekyo kyo ninkejo nusa. Discrimination and harassment is against the law. Wareba Employment Act niye kugoverninga laws, labor laws za Uganda. Noshoma mungu hariho ka section aka kugira ngu you shall not be discriminated. You will not be harassed. If so, run to the labor officer. So discrimination never home miringo mingi mazima noshanga ngu tiwa babenu benda. Tiwa babenu benda
mukabwe nshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe omurimo wagutwa.
You are qualified konka tiwa babenu benda oshange bakutwariza kubi ningo shange bakanu babenu benda nko mukiga iwo yo muganda. So kinds of discrimination ni nyingi. Then also harassment never home muringo mingi. There is sexual harassment kandi abamwe abishiki ale kanta gamba bishiki bonka even men can be sexually harassed. It's very rare.
Okay.
Konka sexual harassment abantu nibatekateka ngo umuntu yabiyamaniwe. But that's not it. Umuntu nabasa kugamba niwe aba yakuharasinga.
Yes.
You are injured emotionally.
Yeah, true.
So ebe bintu byabaho noza mu employment contract yawe ureba ngo ebi tukabugambaho nkasayininga omwe noshanga ngu ejo company nebikiriza. Working conditions are different. Ningo shanga nkeche bakora
bo tubakukireba
nkekintu cyango nuko abantu batwazaho we tokuba nokora nko mbara bakakwataho okirukanga okagamba. But ebyo byabaho and you are injured.
Yes.
No yirukanga ofuna lawyer.
Yes.
A lawyer is very important because what amwine tine nko kubasa kuhandika bino tandikira himazima no tandikira hi the situation seba lawyers ozo wa labor office ohandika bas siwingo mshango mkoti and you're entitled to compensation for that has happened pakushashuri.
Mwenu tushemeye ku bantu ebuza abantu abakugwa bari kubyetegeza kandi abari kumanya
mazima
twaza kora ki okureba ngo twakingira harassment sezo kuba hwamera mu akanzu
babare mnonga nambweno companies zimwe notahamu oshanga walls batireho ebiragiro bya no harassment. So there has been people coming up abantu nibija abantu nibabahandika na no mashomero rules and regulations mu mashomero gitaka aba harimo buntu poster no sex before abstain kebyo even in companies in companies no teka abantu n'abantu bakuru.
By the way, ekintu kigumize mu nshendera suggestion box
zitwabe
tureba offices n'abatongoreza katandika kucendereza umwe abamwe tubakivufaho
ati tukozesa email
hate bintu tukazomu.com konka karoko twarakapapura ka umpora
batamanya ngo niyo wakataye aza kiyamba
umukozi wo gunanga
kubati nozo wa human resource nawe aba
wakubera ikindi atorugamba rutambuza to extent cenda kikubingise namurmo abamwe batina ahabo kuba natina ngo kitandegaho narika kigamba kikambingisa murmo abo kuba bambe ngugwaine Uganda yitemera umoyo nkatero hagugu watunjire no gushegeraho uburinganizo bwo tubwabo umuntu yabato cyane kandi kuba harasit kandi ubwo rukumanya ngo umwe ariho wahosheme kuba no tungira uburinganiza nacyo nikikora umunonga
hariho evidence hariho proof ngo you have been tortured waba discriminated abamwe babahereza cases nko muri law firms. Let me give an example. Muri law firms odiya no bakuhereza emishange enkuru iwe just nabakutuma to kuzana mukoti hariho proof ya discrimination hariho proof ya umuntu nakusinikira messages ko takwata somo jondebe WhatsApp hati na yone evidence yobika wareba ngo tori comfortable values zawe tori comfortable reka kureba umurimo there is always another opportunity kuba ebe bintu wabigumera then you're not going to be the only victim n'abandi barije uriya naza kukimanyira tanyo ni wenda boss aha tina cyo kankora konka wagira ngo enough is enough ubwo muntu reka mugambe reka muheyo reka nyeteloya tuzomukoti ebe bintu nibiza kucendera discrimination and harassment.
Consequences zone ziha ariyaba ku breachinga no kugumizamo okudiscriminatinga abantu aha biragiro aha ariyaba abarukura bati ubwo bwawe bwabo consequences zone ziha ibyakorgamo maybe umuntu oguba maragwire bamugambira konka these people are complaining abantu abantu bagira ngo iki kugenda
ato muba complaining aho nabasa ko bari mukama wo nabasa ko bari boss
ariyaho aryo mukama atari
we managing partner wa farm konka once wa kozesa steps ukazomu wa labor officer ukazomu court tukareba ngo ubwo muntu ebe byakora then naza kuba ine closing business yeyi company ejo neba etari working it's not working conducive neza kuba yashoba nabamuteka no muchome for misconduct for him as a professional nabamsuba that's the biggest and nabamsuba then nabaine compensating abantu ababo aba injured yes compensation through monetary means kuba tokagira ngo umuntu nanto charinga emotionally when compensation ya beta nto baritwe tureba ngo hawurongo yamarabwire kina kuteganisa so tugira ngo reka twereze miliyoni neza
abo already ugo muntu yagiro mba mateka process ejo ine baro yabakumtonganira so expenses nachi nategwa kubushashura ubwo boss urukubona abonesa abakozi obuhabuzi bwa abantu nubwo buha accounts akushira munonga hari yabo abarukutwariza kubi abakozi abo kuba bo bari yatwabahabura abakozi uko basheme kubambagenda
kubazomukoti
konka aba boss twaza kubahabura cyo kwirinda ibizuwe byo kubarakaho abo kuba batajya ngo bakamara byone
ba boss bine kumanya that they are dealing with different people bajyona ba dealing na nabakozi batakwishana hata bo bareba ngo uri akayacemire ukata kwemereke so bine kutwariza abantu nkoko bari bine kuba kwataje discrimination should end boss nawe ine kuba nashoma amateka ga company yeyi ine kuba nagamanya no shangu umwe boss wenyine niwe yagahenda ushangu tuwe yagakozere so bine kutwariza abantu bine kubashashura bine ku sexual harassment they should lead by example
Yes.
Kuba bareba boss nakikora unashana n'abandi abwenshi batakubikora.
Yeah, true. Tuganira akantu kakuru munonga health and safety. Nakakuru munonga umuntu kuba nakimanya twaza kora ki kureba ngo emyanya yiturukora tufavoringa ito nk'abakozi kandi umwuga gwa kinkozesa wenu gwo guha anshongeje ya health and safety.
Bari munonga obunabenisha manka bani nkunde ejo topic. Kabani nkunda munonga. So we have Occupation Health and Safety Act ijejo nayo tujino mu Uganda. Ni legislation ekutuma abakozi nana ababakosa twareba ngo ogwo mwanya guru conducive. Is it risky? Is it the risks that happen, are they managed there? The hazards that happen there ebikubasa kubaho amurumogwe. So because of that act twine workers compensation just in case. So niza kueleza example katujire abawumeme. Abawumeme mazima toka abano tembo gomuti otine element.
Yeah, true.
Otine zenkito
ezizabu muti zikakwata
toka abano okoro mu mifaruso otine gloves. Nangone no mwiraro toka abano okoro mwiraro otine gloves ibo kumushaho. Kuba otine gloves it is a risk to you. No basa kwata amushaho eshagame kuzeho ine kironda umurire. Yes. So ebyo bintu byo twareba health and safety. Ebyo bitukuba ntureba. So nkaba boss biraro, have they provided the gloves? Gloves bazi kuhereza. Abawumeme bine elements. Kuba noza kwetera umurumo konka ba boss bawe tabarakwireke element. Tabakuhaga goals ababakora mu welding. So iwirukange ogende kore then ekizibu kikubeho. Ogwenka hansi kandi obirotine wabotine element. So ahaho tumushango gwawe. Tumushango gwawe no mushango gwa bakama bawe. No mushango gwa bakama bawe hata honko letera workers compensation. Echo cyakubaho because bakama bawe tubakwereza gloves.
Tubakora mu rumo gwabo.
Tubakora mu rumo gwabo. Tubakuwoninga ngo you overworking. Na nejo nayo ni risk.
Yeah, true.
Oyo mushaho ni uwe nkoje yiraro. So that is the problem. Yiraro kupatia leta bashaho. So if wabajya hojo operation ojo no operating amuntu kabyama omuntu gwa kafa. Ugo no mushango gwo yiraro. Togwawe and so aba boss bawe, those are working conditions depending on where you're working. Na naba bitu bomcharo tokaba no guardinga otini nka mbundu abashuma bija niyo bakwita. So ugo no mushango goha kwa mukama wawe. So health and safety, it works both ways. Kubana niwo jyo nakora wotagambere bari atabarakimanya.
Wotagambere embere yo rukoraba.
Bari atabarakimanya ngo gloves hwireho. Elements numwetaga elements.
Yes. What if nagamba abokuba abantu bariyo araho bakama babantaba barukozesubwa abarukora to the extent kugira ngo umukozi nabahereza yo complaints bagamba ekiti kiri kugenda je ebikwate bikozese bwano gamba tibine tibirukumara konka ba boss abo kugira ngo twashanga ngo abamwe tubarukushana umetwarize yabo no mekore yabo tubarukwenda kore nshonga concern z'abantabo we nko mukozi yaza kora ki abo ko already na complaining ati ne chiruko
we bari mnonga ati nko mukozi na mnonga nkaba bakora mu companies empango is equipment is very expensive. Very expensive no basobuta basa
kutunga byona
utajya ukanza kugurayo nka element. We are looking at companies as equipment and very expensive. So hata honho tukureba peaceful riots. because mukama wawe yayanga kuhura peacefully yayanga kuhura wamugambira mwa akachiko kagamba because there are steps to this tokufa kwimuka ukagira ngo ati mukama wawe yanga kuhura ngo numwetageze elements numwetageze gagoze hakaruho kesi nangwe kegiwa itwe nkaba lawyers it was a magistrate bakagenda kola locus think my locus wa wachenga locus mwino mshango gwitaka so abaramuzina bagenda kureba demarcations yo nogira ngo notanshira ha so no bazom field hati ababaramuzi bine kuje aba magistrates bine kugenda bine aba police that's also a work environment that's a risk kuburyo kwe abantu bayono barane mshango yitaka nojimanye so konkogu tabaramhire ba police kuyichireyo yashanga abantu banyijire bamutera bamwita kache bamwite because he lost his legs he lost his arms so aha hono jirango akaze akaine kuzo complaining about the judiciary yes the judiciary did not provide protection
kandi uburyo bugabebwe
yes so the of course tabaka compensating bakagaza hamaguru but the compensation was quite adequate
kumuraguriza
ebyo byona taine garaka mukora kubataka basa kutambura so nkaba aba boss they have to provide those protective measures kandi twareba ngo baba kwenda kura imwenka tosire tureba bashakona bakwasa hansi turizabo nabone baba nyijigwe they are pushed against the wall ngo babahereze cyo bakwenda kugira ngo bakayamba abantu kikuyamba kikubodyo mushaho ubone ukora muntu ukaba ni washasha kandi yes so there are those peaceful riots that you can make yes you can stop to work barebe ngo mwashasha
yes jeneshonga nkora munonga how can employers manage workplace hazards abukuba hazards zizituzuru kubora
tizukabura
baza gukora
tizukabura na no mwishomero no basa kubogira aho waza kushomesa kumbaba abana bo ba planninga ngo shomero bagyose tizukabura but the workplace ine its own issues ikwenda kugira ngo bora hamwe hari yebizabu konka management age neja by you can communicate mujirengu nangwa tujyon to drilling oil but this place is risky ababajyo omuza mine zokwe kandi umwe nabagambira bakamba babati this place it might fall anytime bangakura ureba amahure ngo nkokwe byagwa
itakajabunda South Africa nate kiriyo na trending abantu bari kurenga mu 1000 bakiriya hansi bakazo mu chorombe cyo government you know people the community around baka complaining bagambira government nabembeza biciro kwata echirombe ki kurigira abantu ayibara na metazi zibari yo kwa hansi mazima it is very risky so bashaba biciro kwata aho babura kucira kanje as of now kibashwekiri at government rimwe safaringa no kubona kwihemitumbi y'abantu kwa hansi nabamwe mbagira ngo babasa kuba bakiriyo bahurire ko ngamba za kwitwenjara maybe na nembere ryo kwa hansi nenda kubafa
so no range kwata budyo mu government na babantu abantu abo bina abantu babo so it's a role for both parties to comply bakareba ngo okutwayamba na nakuno reka kuba hati omudija naza kugira ngo abo bamwe kibagire wareba ngo okoku tinku ihayo magara don't go
true
oka of course omuntu nabanyigwe nareba ngo kandi nafuna nateka cha ameza najya
kana araka sente kariyo no conditions of zitakumfavoringa konka naza kuremera mbwe nawe
cyakuyamba chiwafera yo
yeah true
so it's
so no vunanzo wabura umuntu ogoro ukora orukozesebwa nani wo mukama wa business abo kuba abantu ko barafe na company yawe wazo mukuraha makurihira abantu abafire na nabari mu marwaro bo wakora rusa mpango muno
yes
so buri muntu ayine kora umwuga
buri umwe a role to play
yes jone nshonga nkora munonga tugamba nshonga ya wages and benefits abo kuba aho kuchira munonga ntwenda kufocusinga health insurance na pension abakozi abamwe wazironga ziyana mati nitungo mushara gwanje gw'emitwaro 20 takumangwa inezindi benefits nizo zihezo kandi kwenda ngo umuntu akazitunga
by the way washoma employment law no wasa kushanga ngo you have a lot of money, you are a rich person oine sente nyingi konkato kuzimanya you are entitled to so much that you are not aware of, so to in a different benefits depending on the terms and conditions of your contract. So twareba ngo nofuna ogumushara, that's the wage, salary na wage na bishana konka nkoko nanagambire wakora overtime.
Yes,
so naho oine kuba no receiving ejo wage hata ejo niyo tukuba ntweta wage wakora overtime wahandika bwine kwereza akakashara kawe wa attendinga workshop wa attendinga workshop bwine kwereza transport yawe, accommodation yawe yes twinena na contractors mweze kugira ngo kare no rugaha kare no kora hari so katukwereze wage yawe ya transport yes then at twazum pension, that's another topic because public servants have to pay to NSSF as a must. So ababo as a must be neyo pension ya public servants. Yes. Tuineyona na benefits ezindi
hariho enshonga nkurejo gambe ya pension hariho ebitongore nomanya abakozi nibashabwa okureba ngubona babasa kubamba mbaza mu NSSF. But we've seen some companies ezo kudojinga emishoro nkejo ahawe bigenderwa bya bitari umwenamu hazo umwe kifereza abakozi abarakora mu companies you know pension ye vunde yatamangu akasenta kabenka bikwayo kabenkije ko saving maybe mu retirement ye yahumwire kabenka mutasi badojinga emishorejo kandi umwe kifereza umukozi
obwiro bwinji bari mnogo obwiro bwinji ba boss babona babagambe nabo
hey okay
you were do you personally do you save with NSSF?
Yes
you do?
Yes I do I do
abandi nabadeba ngo this is what is going to be cut from my salary anayichereza utazitayo
ngwero no kushitama bakichereza naje kitaka
koza go no mushango gwa mukama wawe
abakwati yakushobora birunje biriyo
nabyo biriyo of course umuntu waburije we nareba ngo emyaka ninza kugisa takuranze hari all looking at the family but it's important to save and it's a chintu chibonire mazima bakama bitu kushanga ngo they are not remitting kwereza yejo percentage y'umushoro so it's against the law.
Yes ariho akanyenda ngo hende nako just umudachi umuseconds kusharaho amushoreji nabwo ukushanga bitakufavoringa turyanshongejo kungangaha iji company mushoro yerenje serize batuya hogo gira ngo ma wifi mabiha mwene babshara byaheza komega bakantache dongo ni nkora cyabo kubaro gukushanga terms and conditions zezabakari
wa signinga terms and conditions contract no wazichereza no wazichereza konka twagira ngo not all is lost wazishoma mukadeba ngo usho wifi no basako bihota kosa na wifi no basako bota kunywa chai ejo because now I think the new law taxes the meals is abakozi bakujya konka wa iwe no parking yawe beno no yenda ngu
nyoti kunywa ha mu rugo.
So usually it's important ngu boss w'omuntu asitamena wajire arebe ngu iwe no koseche tokukikozesa kachitshazemo
Yes.
iwe no ryaha no raraha katubishazemo kugira ngo akasente kawe kagumeyo kuba ko umuntu niwe no banokenda so no tanu kagura data yawe kugira ngo abebe mutabishara.
Oh yes. Ahabwe nshonga yesha Council Grace Letitia umuntu nabasa kuba binji yabyegerizo nangwa nemwe nakenda kubyega yaza kora ki okutunga nka Council Letitia ntukutungira nkahi ntukushanga nkahi ningashe namba zawe wano wikereza kuzibasharingira abantu aba bakazitunga abo kuba okwega tukurukwayo kandi abantu bamwe yamanya ngu imwe abanyamateka mazime ibintu by'umwakugukire mukana bashime kubamba bejose
nama y'abantu abinje nabarinda kureta muroye ibintu byashobere yet from the start from otaka signing ejo contract yine kuba omwine so been volunteering at High Court of Uganda. So konkana za kusharing namba zanje just in case omuntu okujyokwe akwenda kumanya binje bikwata employment law no enda kuzaheru to kumanya which agency to use, where to go to na nebyo nabyo neshonga nkuru tikumanya bwenchi tutagamba
ntujja because nore time yene
abakozi baheru
ejo ntujja kukirondera izoba arona na eje mihondano y'amataka yebwana ogamba wene bingi sector ni mpango konka do you agree with people who go out kuterecheyo abana bato nyoni nchireba ngu
bagumaha bakore
bagumaha abo kuba okuza no kubona omwente baso butakishoborokerwa konga tuje kukirondera izoba abo kuba miliyoni 10 zoro kuhereza umwana kuzahera trust me Letitia capitage waje impereza
no ukora mekintu
inkoreraho ikintu cyangwa omwaza yo no kubona abona rero kukikira abana babishiki agamahanga g'abaharabu it is was
amatina gambe kikubayo tina kurga yakagambe cyabayo
nebemera
so nareba to kubikiriza mebi nanye think kubi supportinga but let me share my numbers then turebe 0762 600 983
okay 0762 rukaga igana 83 noja kuba notunga Council Letitia Grace kandi yinjire kutunga buhabuzwe abo kuba nicukura munonga 0762 mukaga 00 igana 83 noja kuba nomutunga nakwereza obuhabuzi ntujagaruka ku mutaya isa aha TV nangwa na radio abo kuba itwe tukatunga umushabyo na tibine mbwenu ruhanga ko yakitkorere twenda ngo abanyayuganda beje buri izoba nanda Anthony mjeni ngo wajenanye no mwami Job nka producer wa program eji imbendeza izoba ronje